Hi guys, I'm Emily. I'm a dietetics student with Cox College and I'm here at Prime doing my staff relief. So I'm today talking about how much sugar is in some of the drinks that probably a lot of us really enjoy, myself included. And so the American Heart Association does recommend that men consume 9 teaspoons of sugar per day as the max, and women get 6 teaspoons per day. So we get less, sorry ladies. But a lot of times that's really easy to exceed the amount just in the foods they were eating and especially in the things that we're drinking. So we'll take a look down here. I've got some drinks that are pretty popular, and this is just kind of a visual depiction of how much sugar is in a lot of our favorite beverages. So 1 teaspoon is one of the sugar cubes. So we get about 6 of these, ladies, and men, you guys get about 9. But some of these can be really surprising. So with the mochas, 1 can is a serving, so that's pretty good. But that's like 6.5 sugar cubes right there. So that would be all that I would get for the day. With things like Powerade, so there's 2.5 servings in this bottle, but a lot of times we would probably drink the whole thing. And so that has about 13 in a whole bottle. So these drinks are really popular right now, the Body Armor, and they're really great because they do have just a lot of vitamins and minerals. They're made with coconut water, but look how much sugar they're putting in them. Quite a bit. So it says that there's 18 grams of sugar, which is about 5 teaspoons, but there's 2 servings in this bottle. So that's just something to be aware of. When you're drinking out of a bottle, just make sure that you know how many servings are in it. So tea's kind of healthy, right? Just watch out for the sweetened, because that can have upwards of 10 teaspoons in it. And then of course we know most of our sodas, such as Mountain Dew, are gonna have upwards of 20 teaspoons. So that's like 2 or 3 times more than the amount that we're supposed to have. So obviously it's really hard to meet that goal, but it's just something to be aware of. It's okay if you consume more. That's perfectly fine, but I'm just here to educate and let you know what's kind of considered to be the healthy amount of sugar to consume. Thanks for watching.